What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ. And today, thought I'd show you this cool little new tool that I got that I've been wanting for a long time. This is a SPTA mini cordless polisher. It comes with a 1-inch and a 2-inch backing plate. And here is what you get in the bag. You get a couple of these purple wool pads for each size, the 1 and 2-inch. And you also get this Japanese wool, just like short, straight wool. And then they call this Buell microfiber. I have no idea what that is. I'm not a detailer. Maybe that's something for detailing, but we'll see how that works. And then it also comes with sponge pads. Looks like you get 5 of each. These are the soft ones, medium, and stiff ones. And you get, I guess, 5 of each 1-inch, and then 3 of each in the 2-inch. And then it comes with 2-inch backing plate, 1-inch backing plate that's on it. You get your battery charger. It also comes with 2 batteries, 2 12-volt, 2000 milliamp hour batteries. They do say that these last an hour on the highest setting. So we'll put that to test. I haven't got to use this yet. I just wanted to show it. And then we'll do a review and test after I get to use it for a while. So here it is. As you can see, in relation to my hand size, I have pretty big hands, but you know, it's nice, small, compact. It's not super heavy. It does come with this protective cover, which does not fit when you just have the backing plate on it without any of the extensions or other parts that come with this. So here we have our power on and off switch. Then we have our up and down to control our speed on this. We'll go ahead and turn it on. We're on 1. So this actually goes from 1000 RPMs, which would be the 1 setting, all the way up to 6000 RPMs, which this goes up to 7. It's one thing I'm not used to yet, but the plus is on the left side, minus is on the right. Kind of backwards for most stuff, but we got a nice little rotary polisher here. But this is actual multi-purpose tool as well, because you know you can sand with this, the little sanding discs on there. You can do some grinding too, put little your grinding discs on there as well. The other stuff that comes with this, you get some tools. So we got a couple of extensions, so you can make it a little bit longer if you're trying to get in, some different areas. It's got a couple different sizes here. Looks like a little 1-inch and then a 2-inch extension. And then here's probably one of the main reasons I got this. Right here. We have a free spinning dual action assembly. So it's pretty easy to turn this into dual action. Just got a couple little tools here. Got a little wrench and your little key chuck deal. So just a little nut on the back there. Get that on there, and we can just take the pad off by hand. Alright, so then to install this, pretty easy. Doing this through the camera, so bear with me here. Just get that on You can tighten this by hand, or it's got this little keyhole here. You can use this little tool, get it in there. Just make sure it's nice and tight. We'll keep that keyhole in there so we can get our backing pad on. There we go. Now we got a dual action sander as well. It's got this little protective cover, just slides straight out, just goes straight on the back. And voila, dual action with a free spinning disc. So yeah, pretty cool. So, this is for if you get any hologramming or anything. I usually just use a rotary buffer, so I get hologramming, and then I usually have to spend a lot of time to get it out because I didn't have a dual action. So, excited to really try this out. I'm not really sure what pads I'm going to need. If you do watch my videos, all I ever use is CSI polish. This is amazing. Keep it simple. It's just one product. They sell their own pads. They only make them in the 7-inch and then the 3-inch. And they're just a 2-pad system, a wool pad and then one foam pad. So we'll see if the stuff works with what pads here. I'll play around with it. We'll actually put these batteries to the test as well. I'll run them completely dead. I'll set timers too, and then kind of watch what speeds I was using as well throughout. And I will report back, and we'll do a little update on this thing, let you know how I like it. You can get these on Amazon sometimes. It usually looks like there's only one seller that gets these out there. And they typically only have them for a week or two. I don't know how many they're getting in at a time, but I've kind of been watching them over the past, I don't know, year or so, and sometimes they're not out there, sometimes they are. I actually got the last one of this last round, and they're out of them for a couple weeks, and it looks like they just got some more as the time of recording this video. So I don't know how much. I probably won't do any editing of the video, so I'll probably post it within the next day or two here. So but yeah, I really love this thing already. I haven't even used it. So don't go out and buy it based on what you saw here today unless you're willing to do like I did and take the $200 risk. That's what this cost, $200, which if it works like it should, be well worth the money to me. So I work on a lot of smaller things if you've watched my channel for a while, and this will be perfect for all little tight areas on different things. Actually got something to use this on today. I'm going to go do right now after the end of this video. And that's why I thought I'd do a little unboxing video, kind of show you everything you get here, and just how easy it is to change that head out, go from a rotary to a dual action polisher with this. So I will drop the link below to the Amazon, for the Amazon link to this if you want to go out and buy it. But as soon as I get a chance to go through, a full battery at least on one of these, and then go through the recharging on this, so I can tell you, kind of what that takes to, how long it actually lasts, and how long it takes to recharge, I will go ahead and post a review video and tell you what I think about it from there. So once again, link for this is down below if you want to go check it out and read all the specs. And until the next video, keep those brushes stroking.